Some breaking news is coming in. There's a massive fire that has broken out in Faridabad. More than 200 cracker shops have been gutted in this fire, which was a fireworks market in this city. And a massive fire, as you can see on your screens, breaking out in Faridabad. Several are already being reported injured. More than 200 shops gutted. So you can imagine the scale of this fire. News just coming in from Faridabad. Extremely disturbing visuals as well. 200 shops, fireworks shops gutted in this fire. We'll get you more details as and when we get about the rescue operations that would have been initiated on this. My colleague Atir Khan is joining us over the phone line. Atir, can you give us more details?
Reports, and so far what we've learned is that 200 shops of firecrackers have been gutted in this fire, and it could be termed as a medium type fire. Fire tenders have been rushed to the spot, and the fire officers are trying to douse the fire at the spot. Senior police officers have also reached there, but it seems to take a while before they are able to control this fire.
Right. Atir, can you give us an idea of just how many people could be injured in this fire? 200 shops, did they have workers in them at this time, and what could be the scale of the injuries in this case?
Well, that's right. This is just a few days before the festival, and therefore the people this is the place where people go for shopping on Diwali, especially for firecrackers. The Dashera ground is known for that. But then, we do not know what is the cause of fire, whether there is any foul play in this or it happened due to an accidental spark or something like that. But at the moment, the priority is to control this fire. So far, there are no reports of any casualty, but then, some people being injured is not being ruled out at this moment.
Atir, a few more details if I can get from you. Can you just describe the location for us a little bit? You're saying that this is a cracker market, so lots of people, not only a lot of cracker factories there, but also lots of people going there at this time of the year to buy, to do their shopping, to buy crackers. Give us a more idea about the location that we're talking about.
Well, thankfully, you see, this is a ground where the fire broke out, and it is not a sort of congested place. It is a ground which has especially, sort of designated for the firecracker shop. So it is open. Largely, it is open. It's the Dashera ground where the Ramleelas happen out there, and the Dashera, Ravana is sort of burnt there. But then, still 200 shops have been gutted. So it is a major fire which has flared up. The officers are trying to control the situation as of now, but then it seems, as I told you, it will take a while before things are brought under control.
All right, Atir, before we let you go, also give us an idea of any action from the police and the fire tending agencies that you know about, and what are you hearing from them?
Well, you see, normally the procedure is that license for firecracker shops are given, and there are regular checks carried out by the police and local administration. Despite that, this incident has happened. So, the police will have to investigate as to whether it was sort of accidental or there is a foul play. So it is a matter of investigation. But then as of now, the priority is to douse this fire and control the situation here.
Atir, can you give us an idea of how long it could take fire tending agencies to reach this spot, for police agencies to come for rescue operations, given the location?
Well, the police and the fire officials have already reached, and they are in action. They have initiated, cooling operations. Fire tenders have been rushed to the spot. But then, since it's a sort of medium type fire, it will take a fairly long time to bring it totally under control. And since it's highly inflammable, object, to the firecrackers were kept there. So all precautions are being taken to ensure that nobody is injured and the situation doesn't go out of control.
Yes, extremely disturbing news coming in from Faridabad. More than 200 cracker shops have been gutted in what is a fireworks market in Faridabad. As Atir was just explaining to us, the good thing is that this is not a congested area. It's an open Maidan of sorts, the Dashera Maidan in Faridabad. So there is open space. police and fire attending agencies have already reached the spot, but as you can see on your screen, it's a massive area. It's a fireworks related fire, so extremely difficult to contain. Atir, as we are looking at these visuals, it's quite obvious, it seems, that there could be many injured in this fire.
Well, yes, that is the fear. And, you know, the administration is trying their best to ensure that, you know, nobody sustains burn injury. And efforts are being made to ensure that the fire doesn't spread. But however, you see the scale of this fire is big. And therefore, there's the possibility of a number of people being injured or sustaining burn injuries cannot be ruled out. But so far, luckily, we know that there are no casualties in that sense. However, it is a big fire.
Yes, Atir, let me just recap for our viewers what we are seeing on the screen. Extremely disturbing visuals coming in from Faridabad, the Dussehra Maidan, where there was a fireworks market being held. More than 200 shops in that Maidan, and they all seem to be gutted. Visuals can explain for themselves that the fire is extremely massive and extremely serious. There is rescue work that has already begun. But given that this was a fireworks market at this time of the year when the festivities are beginning, lots of people, we can imagine, would have been at this Maidan, not just those selling fireworks, but also the general public trying to buy fireworks at this time of the year. And we could expect several injuries in this case. Atir, a final reaction from you. What is the best way, what is the reaction for the relief agencies and for the rescue agencies in such a fire when it's related to fireworks and when, you know, the scale is as big as we are seeing?
Well, you see, you know, normally, as I told you, that there are checks and balances in place to ensure that, you know, wherever the firecrackers are sold, all safety precautions are taken. But then in this case, as you can see, that there's a flare-up, one after the other. The crackers, you know, once they burn, they spread out, the fire spreads very fast. And it becomes very difficult to control since it's highly inflammable material which is used to make firecrackers. But then,
all right, Atir, sorry to cut you short there. R.C. Sharma, former director of the Delhi Police, is joining us. Mr. Sharma, can you explain to us just what are the kind of precautions that are needed when there's such a fireworks market? We are seeing 200 shops nearly gutted in Faridabad where this fireworks market was being held. What are the precautions that should have been taken to avoid such a scenario?
See, the first precaution is that such commercial setup should be done in open area outside the city, outside the normal residential area. So that was done in this case, and probably this was marketed in the open area. Second thing is that normally when you put up all these things, you avoid all the combustible materials, use the GI sheets, and also form a layout where after every about 15 meters you leave some gap so that fire is not able to spread in case something happens. So, I mean, continuity should be broken. And most important factor is that they should be keeping means of escape on all the sides so that in case something goes wrong, at least people should get out from every side when they can escape. Otherwise, the chances of stampede and chances of people dying in that particular type of incidents are very bright because there will be a commotion. Everyone will be running on all directions, and probably you can have a stampede also. So this is the thing. And next is that they should have rather some drum of water and bucket in front of after gap of about 15-20 meters, so that the moment something goes wrong, there should be some people, or shop owners or their helpers, who should just come into action and throw water onto the fire.
Right.
So this is not very easy to extinguish because the crackers, they start and means they spread so fast. Within a minute, I think 200 shops must have been involved. Because the burning crackers, they fly away and they set fire to other shops.
Right.
And they are all open shops. They are not really protected in that manner because they are having front open and everything is on display. So the chances of spread of fire are very bright, and I'm just only apprehending that if the means of escape are all right, it's okay. People must have escaped. Otherwise,
right,
chances of people getting trapped and burn injuries can be too much.
Right. R.C. Sharma, ex-fire chief, Delhi, joining us. And given what he's telling us, it seems like this market was perhaps a sitting duck for something like this happening, because in very little time, because this is a fireworks market, extra precautions needed to be taken. It seems perhaps that wasn't the case in this market, because very quickly it spread to the entire 200 shops in the area.